Hey guys, showing you this Ainpota 240-watt garage heater or the basement heater where you want to use it. Comes in a really nice protective packing. Let me just open the box, take it out. So this is the main heater. You can see it's a really heavy duty and heavy heater. There's a really great fan here that used for the basement or the garage, wherever you want to use. And this need to be installed through the hard wiring, so there's no plug here. And this is the stand that goes on the top that you can put on the roof or the ceiling. So this you can see all the qualities things, really like nice flaps here. Is a great manufacturing or the material used. These are the buttons here that you can use. It's have a overheat protection as well. From the sides, this is to join on the roof or the ceiling with this the supplied handle. This is the back with the fan that will rotate the air. So this is the switch that you want to control. So here, so heater with a thermostat or without controlling that one, and the other side for holding the handle. So the manual describes everything, like how to hardwire, what are the different parts and things that's supplied with it. So the screws are really heavy, and then put in the handle. I will show you the handle as well later on. So you can just put it on the ceiling or the wood ceiling or the ceiling you want to use, and all the different types that you can use. So with the installation, this have to be hardwired, as I said. So this use this electricity supplies that need to be connected and then put it in the system. So there is no plug to it, so you have to hardwire this one. So this is the remote control that comes with it. You can control this through the remotes and the screws to fix on the ceiling. So this is how like this handle. So this all the top portion will go to the ceiling, and you can hold this the heater the way the positioned as you want. So it's a nice heater for the roof and ceilings.